watching the movie?
I'm surprised. I am really happy with the outcome and ayun, sana may na-enjoy nyo din and sana may enjoy din ng mga kapamilya and mga kapatid and everyone.
Was it your first time to watch it in full?
Yes, my first time to watch it in full actually. Yes.
Okay.
So what's the process? Kasi medyo iba yung character mo dito. Medyo,
Yes.
Ayun dito medyo youthful, medyo mas energetic yung movement po niya. And ayan, I would say OA talaga siya as a person.
Pero how was it doing comedy? Kasi parang this is your first time doing comedy ba?
Not my first time doing comedy, but this is my first time na doing more physical comedy, more slapstick. Opo.
And without Alexa.
Yeah.
How was it doing a project without Alexa?
It was good naman kasi she was very supportive.
Yeah.
And naintindihan niya na kailangan ko din ng mga projects on my resume na wala siya para mas matibay yung
She's one of the early birds tonight supporting me.
Yeah. Very supportive.
Siyempre hinatid ko siya eh. I was with her, so yeah, she did come here on her own. Yeah, so nag-drive kami pupunta dito.
You were doing this ba at the same time sa Walang Aray or?
No, this was before Walang Aray. So medyo matagal tong project na po ito.
So walang masyadong adjustment, stage then film.
Actually, yes, medyo malaki po yung adjustment dito kasi sa Walang Aray mas malaki yung movements mo dito. You're limited to the camera. Pero I would say na yung acting ko dito, it helped me with my energy, especially yung cardio kasi medyo marami yung sequences ko dito, physical. Opo, yan.
Hindi pa naging sa'yo, parang hindi ka ganun kagwapo dito sa...
Yeah, okay lang sa akin. Mas okay nga sa akin na hindi ako ganun kagwapo sa film. Tapos mas okay ako sa personal.
So wala ka ng limitations when it comes to kumbaga de-glamorize?
No, I'm not, di ako maarte kung ano yung tsura ko sa camera kasi dito yung kailangan ng character ko dito, hindi siya gwapo eh.
Nakakatuwa.
Di ako maarte dyan.
So, how was the working relationship with the other cast? Kasi Ensam to eh, parang barkada movie.
Opo, sobrang bait nila and I'm very thankful that I was able to bond with the cast. Ako ba yung bago dito. But yeah, sobrang grateful ako na napunta ako sa cast na to kasi sobrang husay nila. At karamihan din sa kanila, mas drama actor and drama actresses, pero ang gagaling din nila sa comedy.
If not your role, hypothetical question, kaninong role yung gusto mo?
Kaninong role? Maganda yung role ni Cardo eh. I would say Cardo. Cardo or Chad, pero BL I'm not so sure yet. Pero I'll see muna.
Okay.
Pero carry mo naman mag-crop top.
Carry ko naman mag-crop top.
Ano sabi ni Alex after watching it?
Ayun, mamimit ko pa. Thank you, Ate Yeng. Thank you. Thank you, Ate.
Diba? Bakit pang comedy?
Thank you, Ate Yeng. Thank you, Ate Yeng. Thank you so much. Ayun.
A new comedy star is born.
Sakto lang. I would say.
Invite for everyone?
Thank you so much everybody, mga kapamilya, mga kapatid. Don't forget to watch Fruitcake, out now in cinemas nationwide, June 12. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy Youth Barkada Movie 2024. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Keith.
Oh my gosh, I'm very, very, very fortunate because maganda yung pelikula. Alam mo yun, ang sarap na meron kang isang pelikula na naging parte ka na maganda at maayos at nakakatawa at may lesson, may puso. So I'm happy, parang after Gumburza, ito siya, I'm very, very blessed.
Oo nga, pwede ka ulit dito.
Actually, mas una ko itong ginawa kaysa sa Gumburza. I did this January of last year, pero Gumburza ko sa March.
So ano masasabi mo kasi natuwa yung tao dun sa confrontation yun ni Ria, yung part na, di ba?
I think, sabi ko nga dun sa mga interviews ko dati, madaling bitawan yung isang linya kapag pareho kayo ng values ng sinasabi mo. Because ako personally, I have so much reservations when it comes to the topic of abortion. So, it's a huge conversation, pero it's a blessing. Katulad nga nung sinabi ng character ko, it's a blessing.
So, invite
MJ.
Yeah.
Yes, gusto ko po sana po mapanood ninyo starting tomorrow, June 12, mapapanood nyo na ang Fruitcake. Holiday, walang pasok, walang trabaho. Sana po makanood kayo. Fruitcake, directed by Joel Ferrer.